scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests. Calculus problems like this one look intimidating, but you can solve them in under 60 seconds by following these 3 simple steps to find the answer. For the function to be continuous at 0, the limit of f of x as x approaches 0 must equal the function value at 0, which is defined as b. We evaluate the limit of tangent 5x over x. By splitting this into sine 5x over 5x times 5 over cosine 5x, the limit simplifies to 5. Since the limit is 5 and the function value at 0 is b, we must set b equal to 5 to satisfy the condition for continuity. That makes d correct. Smart move. Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Don't ignore the limit or misread b. Always use the limit rule and set f of 0 equals L.